Welcome to T-Bar. Today we're going to be making a classic tropical cocktail called the Jungle Bird. We're going to start off, no ice. It's going to be a dry shake first. Get our glassware, some Nicanora. We're going to start off with ½ ounce of lime juice, 1½ ounces of pineapple juice. This is freshly squeezed. So give us a nice foam. 3/4 ounce of Campari, ½ ounce of Demerara syrup, and 1½ ounces of a dark rum. I'm going to use Bank 7. An elevated spirit makes an elevated cocktail.
That's right.
It's just 1½ ounces. Who doesn't love a nice rum cocktail that's not called a mojito? This gets a dry shake. Just to build some foam up, and then we hit it with a nice wet shake, real hard. A lot of foam. And then we're going to double strain to our chilled Nicanora glass. Right up to the top. And hit it with our garnish, which is going to be sage. Give this a nice slap. Wake it up a bit. Over the top of the drink. And enjoy it.
Very nice.